Hello everyone, so this is my latest purchase. It's a bashed up example. Look at that. Marks everywhere. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't paying attention and I bid on this and I won it. But yeah, look at that. So I'm going to try and salvage this, but look at this really bad gash. It's literally not a single panel's escaped. Yeah, bashed in the back, but good tyres. Look at this, look at that. Inside needs a good clean. Let's have a look, I'll show you. Look at that. Ugh. Fungus everywhere. And then here, the seats are actually not in bad nick, they just need a good clean, but this car hasn't been driven in a while and it's full of fungus and in need of loving care attention. So what I'm going to do, this is going to I've got a budget here, so I have to be careful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a door for this from the scrapyard, just swap it if I can get the colour match. And these online for about £16 I can get the colour spray, so I'm just going to do a home job on that. It's not going to be perfect, but this is a bargain basement car. I'm going to try and see if I can get the plastic strip on there. If not, might have to leave it as it is. Should be able to get rid of all of that. That's through the paint, but a bit of wet sand and a polish should fix it. And this, I'll probably have to spray that, but that shouldn't be too hard. And thankfully this isn't gone through the paint, that just needs to be rubbed off, and it will. Slight little dent there on the wing. I'll see if I can pull that out, otherwise I'll leave it. On this side, the other door, driver's side door and passenger side door, is actually clean. So here goes. I'm going to try and transform this car on a budget. Let's see. So stage one, because this is a cheap car and I have to consider how long it will take me and whether I'll get my money back. I'm not going to do a filler job on this. I'm just going to paint it over, just make it look better. So done a few coats of primer on this bit, primer here and the front passenger corner. After I've done these, I'll do this. I haven't been able to source moulding for that, so I might have to just sell it as is, but hopefully I can find one on eBay or something. So that's next after I've done these two. So here we go, giving it a paint and some lacquer. 3 coats of paint, 3 coats of lacquer. So I'm just going to leave it now and let it dry, see how it looks. Probably have to wet sand and then polish. This here, all it needed was a bit of clear lacquer, and that's it. Then this is the corner here. So you can see the dent there, but at least it looks a little bit more presentable. And again, I'm going to have to wet sand so that I can blend in where I've stopped there with the new and old lacquer. So machine polish, and that'll be that. And I've made a start on this corner here. There you go. So just done a couple of light coats of primer there. I'm going to let that dry and then go on to, there you go. That's all I've used here. Got the grey primer, and then I've got the colour code there, and the Kia lacquer. So here's the results. Obviously not perfect, but much better appearance than it was before, and tidies up well. There you go. Look at the front wing, not bad. Here come the before and after pics, and I sold the car within 3 hours of sale. Isn't that great? Thanks everyone, and like and subscribe. Bye bye.